Now let's talk passive income at number 5 with Acorns. This app makes investing in the stock market a breeze by automatically rounding up your everyday purchases and investing the spare change for you. For all you crafty individuals, our number 4 choice is Etsy. Turn your hobbies into a profitable business by selling handmade or vintage items directly from your phone. It's the perfect platform for creative entrepreneurs. At number 3, we have Declutter. Simply scan your unwanted items, ship them for free, and get paid instantly. It's time to declutter and cash in. Our number 2 app, Uber, is the perfect way to make money. Become a driver and start earning income on your own schedule. Our number 1 money-making app of 2023 is none other than Amazon Flex. Deliver packages at your own pace and earn competitive hourly rates. It's the ultimate side gig. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Also, don't forget to leave a comment, because once this channel reaches 9,000 subscribers, we will randomly select a comment and that person will win free money.